Hey there viewers, what happens if you plank for 1 minute every day? Bodyweight exercises have recently gained popularity in the fitness industry due to its ease and practicality in allowing you to get in shape using just your own body weight. For starters, planks are a form of bodyweight exercise that no matter what never gets old. This workout is ideal for individuals who have a hectic schedule and find going to the gym challenging owing to time restrictions. Every day, even if it's only for a minute, do a plank to strengthen your entire core. Planking is one of the most efficient workouts for toning your six-pack, according to most fitness professionals. They work even better than crunches. Keep watching to see what happens to you if you plank for 60 seconds every day. A like would be appreciated before we begin. Number 1. It lowers risk of back and spinal column injuries substantially. When you exercise, you run the risk of injuring your back and spine. When done correctly, planking will develop your back muscles without putting too much strain on your hips and spine. As a result, it helps ease back pain, all the while helping you have a great posture when sitting and walking. Number 2. It defines your abs. Planks engage all of the key core muscles, which is why they're so effective. All of your obliques and abdominal muscles are considered important core muscles. Furthermore, as you improve and strengthen your planks, you will improve and strengthen your ability to execute additional exercises. If you go to the gym frequently, you'll notice a significant gain in strength in numerous complex movements like squats and deadlifts. It's also excellent news for the females, because planking increases booty size. Number 3. It improves your overall stability. Have you tried standing on one leg but then you were unable to stand up straight or more than a few seconds? If you tripped even when you're completely sober and feeling okay, then it's because your abdominal muscles weren't strong enough to maintain the balance you required. Every day, plank for 1 minute to enhance your overall balance. It will, at the end, improve your performance in any sports activity. Number 4. It boosts your overall metabolism. Planks are a complex exercise, which means they work many muscles at once. So, what exactly does this entail, you might wonder? In other words, you'll be burning a lot more calories in the same amount of time as other abdominal workouts like crunches or sit-ups. Furthermore, increasing your muscle mass causes you to burn more calories. This is due to the fact that the more muscles you have, the faster your metabolism becomes. Number 5. It is beneficial for your mental health. Did you aware that plank workouts have an effect on our nervous system? As a result, they're an excellent way to improve a person's general mood. Planking, for starters, stretches out muscle areas that affect stress and tension in the body. When you sit or stand for lengthy periods of time, your muscles tighten and tension builds in your shoulders, causing you to slouch forward throughout the day. These kinds of situations put a lot of strain on the muscles and nerves. Planks can help you relax your brain while also treating anxiety and depression symptoms. So, will you start doing planks tomorrow? If that's the case, please return to this video and share your results after a month of regular planking. And that's it. Leave your thoughts and questions about this video in the comments section below. We'll respond as soon as possible. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on Fitness Body Hub, subscribe to the channel.